Good morning, dear students. Today let us continue our chapter comparison of numbers. So in our previous class some homework was given on comparing the number greater number and the least number. So today let us discuss about comparison of numbers using three different symbols. So you can observe there the first one is what? Greater than. So this is the symbol for greater than. So second one is lesser than. So this is the symbol for lesser than. Next one is equal to. So this is symbol for equal to. So now let us discuss where we use these three symbols. Which symbols? Greater than, less than and equal to. So now discuss how we use these three symbols. So see the first question, what is given? 6 and what is given? 7 is given there. So in between these two numbers we had to compare. Every time we should compare the first number. What is given? The first number we should compare with the second number. So what is the first number? 6. What is the second number? 7. So 6 and 7. 6 is what than 7? 6 is greater than 7. 6 is greater than 7 or 6 is less than 7 or 6 is equal to 7. So what happened between 6 and 7? 6 is lesser than 7. So we use which symbol in that box? Less than symbol we use there. So we write like that the symbol. Next number see 4 and 5 is given. So here also the first number is what? 4. The second number is 5. Compare 4 and 5. 4 is what than 5? 4 is greater or 4 is less or 4 is equal to 5. See 4 is what with 5? 4 is less than 5. So we use in that box which symbol we use there? Less than symbol we use there. 4 is less than 5. See next one. What is the first number given? 7 is given there. Second number what is given? 3 is given there. Compare 7 and 3. 7 is what than 3? 7 is greater or less or equal to 3? 7 is greater than 3. So which symbol we use there? Greater than symbol we use there. So this is the symbol for greater than. Next see 9 and 8. Compare here also 9 with 8. 9 is what than 8? 9 is greater or less or equal? 9 is greater than 8. So we use the greater than symbol. Next see what are given? 3 and 3. So 3 and 3 compare. 3 is greater than 3 or 3 is less than 3 or 3 is equal to 3. We know that 3 is equal to 3. So which symbol? What is the equal to symbol? So this is equal to symbol. So we use equal sign. Next see 6 and 1. So 6 is what than 1? 6 is greater or 6 is less or 6 is equal to 1? 6 is greater than 1. So what is the greater than symbol? So this is greater. So we use that symbol there. Next question is 5 and 3. Compare 5 and 3. 5 is what than 3? 5 is greater than 3 or 5 is less than 3 or 5 is equal to 3? 5 is greater than. So we use greater than sign. Next number see 2 and 4. Here also compare 2 and 4. 2 is what than 4? 2 is greater or 2 is small or 2 is equal to 4? 2 is what than 4? 2 is less than 4. So we use less than symbol. Next number 7 and 7. Compare 7, the first number 7 with the second number 7. 7 and 7 both are what to each other? They are equal to each other. So we use equal to sign. Next number is 1 and 9. So 1 is what with 9? 1 is greater than 9 or 1 is less than 9 or 1 is equal to 9? 1 is less than 9. So what is less than symbol? So that symbol we use in that box. Next number see 6 and 6. Both 6 and 6 are what to each other? 6 and 6 are equal to each other. So equal symbol we'll write there. Next one see 3 and 1. What is 3 and 1? 3 is greater than 1 or 3 is less than 1 or 3 is equal to 1. So 3 is greater than 1. So which symbol we use there? Greater than symbol. So we write greater than symbol between 3 and 1. So students, note it down clearly in your notebook. So students, note down today's homework. Use greater than, less than and equal to signs and fill in those all given boxes. Those all given boxes you will fill using those 3 signs. So compare the first numbers with the second numbers and fill in the boxes correctly.